This is coming along nicely.
Almost done with this one.
Can I play now?
Almost, sweetie. Ready for the blanket?
Almost, just fixing this. There, all set.
Looks great. Ready for the next chapter?
Yes, please.
The path ahead was uncertain, but they walked it together.
That's beautiful. This one is all set.
Thank you, dear. That was quick.
Mom, can I play with the toys?
Almost done, sweetie.
I'm helping.
You sure are, champ.
Such a good team. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Got it.
Look, the kitty.
All done.
It's getting bigger.
Almost done. It's looking good.
What a lovely family project.
Almost done.
It looks perfect.
Just one more pillow.
Okay.
Almost done here.
Great. I'll hand you this one.
Thanks, that looks perfect.
You're welcome. Listen to this part. It's so sweet.
Oh, I love that.
I knew you would.
I'll hold this side.
Okay, now fold it towards me.
I've got it.
You all work so well together. Shh, sleep tight, my love. Almost done.
Looks good.
Ready?
Ready.
I'm helping.
You certainly are, dear. This one's ready.
Looks great. This should be cozy.
My puppies like it.
Let's get these folded up.
Almost done here.
Can I help?
You're all doing so well. Let's put these on the bed.
Okay, sounds good.
It's such a nice day.
It is.
I'm so glad you're here.
Always. How are you feeling?
Better now, with you.
Good. Get some rest.
Good night, my love. Sweet dreams.
Night, Mommy. Sleep tight.
Such a sweet moment. Almost done, sweetie?
Yes, just one more.
Such a lovely family moment. I'm helping too. This pillow is so soft.
It is. Here, let me help.
Thank you. These flowers look lovely. I'll get the cushions ready.
And the shoes are all set.
Perfect, almost ready.
This looks perfect.
Good night, my loves.
Sleep well, little ones.
They look so peaceful. What a lovely day.
Can we play outside later?
Of course, after we set the table.
Sounds perfect.
I'll take this to the bedroom.
Thank you, dear. Be careful with it. Here you go.
Thanks. And here's the blanket.
Thank you.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Look, the moon.
It is so peaceful.
Stars are coming out. Look, birds.
I see them. Let's get a better look.
Birds.
How lovely. Look at the birds.
They're flying so gracefully.
Wow.
Beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
Look at the birds. They're flying so gracefully.
Wow, so many. I see them.
More tea, dear?
Yes, please. It's wonderful.
Me too, please.
This pillow is fluffy.
A lovely day. There you go.
Thank you, dear.
Of course.
This tea is wonderful.
I'm glad you like it. It's so nice to have everyone together. Here, try some tea.
Thank you. It looks wonderful.
Such a lovely day for this.
Look at it.
What a lovely day.
It is. Everything is ready.
I think we're set.
Yay, picnic.
Come join us.
What a beautiful day.
Perfect for a picnic.
I can't wait. Yay, picnic.
I'm back, everyone.
Yay, you're here.
Welcome home. We have a surprise.
We've all been waiting.
Here you go.
Thanks. It looks great.
Can I have one?
This is lovely.
This spot is perfect.
It really is. Apple?
Look at this horse. Can I have a bun?
This tea is lovely, dear. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I brought tea for everyone.
Oh, thank you, dear. Perfect timing. We're just getting to the good part.
Yay, tea! Grandma, tea?
Thank you, dear. Oh, one for me too, please?
Me too!
Okay, okay.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
It really is. The flowers are lovely.
I see a bird. Can I have one now, please?
Of course, dear. Just one for now.
We'll share when we get to the bench.
This dough is coming together nicely.
Apples are almost ready.
The tea is lovely, dear.
Dishes are done. Can I have a cookie?
They are still cooling.
In a minute, sweetie.
These are good.
Here you go, sweetie.
Yay, scones!
This looks wonderful.
I'm glad you like it.
Wow, pastries! Yummy! Can I have one?
Of course. Here you
They
go.
look delicious.
They really
Enjoy, everyone.
Let's smooth this one out.
The colors are so pretty. Can the toys help?
Of course.
Here you go.
Very cozy. Ready for the next chapter?
Yes, please.
The path ahead was uncertain, but they walked it together.
That's beautiful.